Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review UKG Pro. UKG Pro is a human capital management platform designed to help businesses manage HR, payroll, and talent in one connected system. It focuses on creating a people-first strategy, making work easier for both HR teams and employees. The platform uses AI-driven insights to help businesses make better decisions, prove engagement, and retain employees. With UKG Pro, you can manage all your employee data in one secure place, keeping your workforce connected with important updates and notifications. It allows HR teams to track employee performance, manage benefits, and oversee compliance requirements easily. The platform also automates routine HR tasks such as leave approvals, payroll processing, and reporting. Employees benefit from self-service options, so they can view payslips, update personal information, and request time off anytime, which reduces administrative work and improves satisfaction. The Bright AI tool adds predictive insights to help managers identify trends, forecast workforce needs, and optimize scheduling, making workforce management smarter and more proactive. UKG Pro combines HR, payroll, and talent management into one complete system, which reduces the need for multiple tools. The AI-driven insights help businesses make smarter decisions and plan their workforce more effectively. Employees can access self-service features anytime, making routine tasks quick and easy. The platform helps improve employee engagement and retention by focusing on the overall employee experience. All workforce data is stored securely and centralized for easy management. However, the system can be complex to set up, especially for smaller businesses. Some of the advanced features may require additional training to use effectively. Customization options and integrations may also require technical expertise. Overall, UKG Pro is best for medium to large businesses looking for a connected HR platform that goes beyond basic payroll and HR tasks, streamlines operations, and prioritizes employee experience, engagement, and retention. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.